Good morning, dear friends. Last time we had to complete it. Standard 10 exercise 14.2 up to question number 3. Now we will start question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean. So we have to find mean and mode of this data. Number of students per teachers and number of states are given. So first of all, we have to find out mean. So we have to find first xi. So write down mean point or mean value of given class xi. Okay. So how to find mean value? So upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 15 plus 20 divided by 2. So 15 plus 20, 35 by 2. So answer will be 17.5. Same thing, we have to find out upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Otherwise, we have to find out by adding class length. Okay. So here we have to check the class length will be same or not. So here class length will be 5. Same thing, 20 to 25 class length will be 5. 25 to 30. 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, and 50 to 55. So class length will be same. So we have to add in simply class length. So 17.5 plus 5. So 22.5 plus 5, 27.5. 27 plus 5, 27 plus 5.5 plus 5, 32.5. 32.5 plus 5. 37.5 37.5 plus 5 42.5 42.5 plus 5 47.5 and 47.5 plus 5 52.5. Okay. Next we have to find mean by using a step derivation method. So we have to find out ui. So ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. So first of all, we have to assume mean a. So here total number of classes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 30 to 35 and 35 to 40, two classes are middle of given class. So we have to suppose the value of a is 32.5 or 37.5. So we have to suppose a equals to 32.5. Now we have to apply formula of ui. So its value will be 0. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And last column will be fi ui, because we have to use sigma fi ui. So find out fi ui. So last column will be fi ui. So we have to multiply this column with this. So we have to multiply by these two columns. So 3 3s are 9 minus 9, 8 2s are 16 minus 16, 9 1s are 9 into minus 1. So minus 9, 10 into 0, 0, 3 1s are 3, 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0, 0. And 2 4s are 8. So for finding sigma fi ui, so we have to find out individual suggestions. So first of all, we have to find addition of negative numbers, then find out addition of positive numbers, and then subtract. So here 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 16. So 16 2s are 32 plus 2. So 34 minus 34. Here 3 plus 8, 11. So here minus 34 plus 11 is equal to minus 23 is equal to sigma fi ui. Also we have to find sigma fi. So sigma fi is equal to 8 plus 9, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 23 plus 2, 25. So 5 to carry 2 plus 1, 3. So 35. Now we have to apply step derivation method. So we have to find first mean, because we have to find out mean and mode. So first of all we have to find mean by using step deviation method. Step deviation method. So first of all we have to list out all of things: sigma fi, sigma fi a. Okay, so write up from table sigma fi is equals to 35, sigma fi ui is equals to minus 23. The value of a will be 32.5, and h is equals to class length of given class. So we have to check already class length will be 5. So h is equals to 5. Now we have to apply formula of mean. So write down x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi or n multiplied by h. Now putting the value of sigma fi ui and h. So the value of a will be 32.5. So we have to put the value of a 32.5 plus sigma fi ui will be minus 23. So write down in bracket minus 23 divided by 35, because the value of sigma fi will be 35 multiplied by 5 is equal to 32.5 minus 23 divided by, here we have to cancel out 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35. So 23 by 7, answer will be 3.28. So here right now 32.5 minus 3.28. Now subtract from 32.5, so answer will be 29.22. So 29.22. So x bar is equals to 29.22. Next we have to find out mode of in this question. So first of all we have to find model class. Okay, so highest frequency of given class is called a model class. So here 10 is the highest frequency. So 30 to 35 it is called model class. Okay, so first of all we will write down second one mode, here highest frequency is 10. Therefore model class is 30 to 35. So the value of f1 we have to write down first the value of f1, f0, f2, n and h. So first of all write down the value of f1. So the frequency of the model class is called f1. Okay, frequency of model class is equals to 10. Previous frequency of model class it is called f0. So we will write down frequency of class residing the model class. Is equals to 9. and succeeding the model class is called F2. Frequency of the succeeding class it is called F2. So frequency of class succeeding the model class is equals to 3, and L is equals to lower limit of the model class. So lower limit will be 30 to 35. So L is equals to 30. So lower limit of the model class is equals to 30, and class 10 will be same 5. So class 10 is equals to 5. Next we have to putting all the values in our formula. So first of all, note out this one. So right now we know that Z is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H class then is equals to, now we have to put the value of L, F1, F0, F2 and H. So the value of L will be 30. So 30 plus the value of F1 will be 10 minus the value of F0 will be 9. So 10 minus 9 divided by here 2F1. So directly we have to write down 10 into 2 because 2F1. So 10 to the 20 minus F0 minus F2. So 9 minus 3. So minus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 5 because H equals to 5 is equals to 30 plus 10 minus 9 1 by 20 minus here we have to add negative number. So 9 plus 3 12. So minus 12 into 5 is equals to 30 plus 5 by, because 5 is a 5, 20 minus 12 8. So is equals to 30 plus, otherwise we have to take LCM and write out, or we have to divide the 5 by 8. So 625. Now adding 30, so answer will be 30.625. Therefore Z is equals to 625. Is it clear? So final answer will be answer x bar is equals to 29.22, mean is 29.22, and mod is Z is equals to 30.625. Is it clear? No doubt.